Okay, here are the solutions for section 7.2 homework. As always, when I go through the homework, I'll go through much faster than I do with the regular notes. Please feel free to fast forward to whichever problems you need help on, or go through and, I don't know, get all of them, I guess. All right, please try not to blindly copy, though. All right, chord AB measures 12 millimeters, and the radius of that circle is 10. So when I draw in the radius, I'm going to draw it to the end of the chord. That's 10. This whole chord was 12 millimeters. So when I draw that piece in, that gives me a 6. I can divide out by 2, makes this a 3 and a 5. We have a 3, 4, 5, which means this piece right here is 8. So that distance from chord AB to O, this one right here, is 8 millimeters. Find the length of a chord that is 15 centimeters from the center of the circle with a radius of 17. All right, so here's our chord. Center of the circle. Draw in a radius. Draw in a perpendicular to the chord. Okay, length of the chord that is 15 centimeters from the center, so that's 15. Circle with a radius of 17, so there's my radius at 17. Oh, there's a triple. That makes this piece right here an 8. So the whole chord then is 16. All right, now this one says to the nearest tenth, find the circumference and area of a circle whose diameter is 7.8. Diameter, 7.8 centimeters. All right, circumference. Pi d or 2 pi r. Since they gave us the whole diameter here, I'm going to use this one. So circumference is pi times 7.8, or 7.8 pi. Oops, sorry about that. .8 pi is 24.504 centimeters. Area, pi radius squared. Now I need to get the radius there. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. I need the radius, so that's going to be 7.8 divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2 gives us 3.9. So the radius is 3.9 squared. So 3.9 squared times pi is 47.784. Oops, I didn't read directions. 47.784, and this is centimeters squared. However, directions said to the nearest tenth. From my calculus class, I always round things to 3 decimal places, so it's habit to go to 3. I'm so sorry. So to the nearest tenth, this would be 24.5 centimeters. And this one to the nearest tenth would be 47.8 centimeters squared for the area. Number 4, find the distance from the center of a circle to a chord 30 meters long if the diameter of the circle is 34 meters. All right, there's your chord, 30 meters long. The diameter of the circle is 34 meters. All right, if the diameter is 34 meters, that means the radius is 17. That chord is 30 meters, so when I put this perpendicular piece in, we know we bisect it, so there's a 15. So, oh, that's a triple again, 8. Distance from the center of the circle is going to be 8 meters. Radius of the circle is, so we have a 24 centimeter chord. Are you starting to see that these diagrams almost always look exactly the same? Chord is 9 centimeters from the center. And we want to find the radius. 24 centimeter chord, which means this half of it here is 12. I'm going to use my triples. I'm going to divide by 3, which makes this a 3. Divide by 3 makes that a 4. That's a 3, 4, 5. But I got to multiply back by 3, which makes that 15. So the radius is 15 centimeters. Oh no.